Hello everyone, I'm coming to show you our natural curly headband wig, but first I'm going to show you how to at least lay your edges down with the Eco Styler. Usually I don't lay my edges down when I wear my wig because I like the more natural look, and once I let the hair get wild, I just want it to blend in with the curls. But for those who like clean edges, this is what you can do, and it just makes it look more nicer. So I just rub the gel straight down on all the hair, make sure it's heavy enough to press all the hair down. You can also do this with edge control. And as I said in my previous videos, I go in a C-section and just started combing the hair backwards. Or you can just lay everything forward and then comb everything backwards. And you see how easy that was. So now I'm just going to the other side and doing the same thing. I usually make about 3 swoops on each side, depending on like what style I'm wearing. But this is a very easy style. Usually I just throw the wig on. Once you do this one time, you just throw the wig on and then you don't have to come back and do this again. So here's the wig. This is our natural curly style headband wig. It comes with a snap on the back, you'll see later in the video. But all I do is put it on front, or however you explain, really just slap it on and then snap the 2 pieces on the back, which has Velcro to snap together. It also has a comb in the back and 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the top of the hair. So you see how simple that was? So I'm just gonna slide it back a little so you can see my edges, and that way most people think it's your hair once they see edges. You can also fold the headband back a little to make it smaller, or you can use a different headband on top of it. I'm just gonna show you a few other styles so you can see you don't have to wear it one way, but I like to wear mine half up there, half down. So it's taking the shape of my ponytail. The hair is already dry. So what I'm gonna do is just spray it down with water. And then I'm going to put hair product on the hair. This hair product that I'm using is the Shea Moisture Curl Cream, or Enhancing Smooth Cream. But what it does is defines the curls. So once you dry the hair, or once the hair, usually I let my curls air dry. I never use a blow dryer unless I'm letting it sit under the dryer. But once it gets, I have worn this wig for 2 months and it still looks just like when I bought it. It gets old looking like your natural hair, but it looks like it's very easy maintenance. So as you see, I'm able to just easily brush through the hair. I had already washed it after 2 months, and then this is a restyle of it. So this is not even a new wig. This is 2 months in of wearing it. So now I'll just wet the hair and I'm just putting it back on, and then I'm going to style it wet so you can see how natural it looks wet. It's easier to do this when the hair is like completely wet. Like if you just put it under a sink and wet it all the way down, you won't have to do so much spraying. And sometimes when it dries bigger if you don't get it as wet as needed. So anytime you use water, I always use some kind of product, whether it's mousse, a curl cream, eco gel, anything that doesn't make it hard. And mousses that I like to use are Suave. You can just go pick that up at the dollar store. And the one I use as far as mousse is the one that when you squirt it into your hand, it grows. That way it leaves a heavy coating to last. But as you see, that was just that simple. You just spray it wet it down and go. Usually I put this wig on a stand or something, so it'll just be ready to take on and off. And you see how lustrous the curls are? It dries like that. So once you got the right product on, it's going to air dry, and this is what causes it not to get poofy. But I'm just going to put my hair back up in a ponytail because this is how I like it. The link will be down low for this video. For this wig. If you want to get your own headband wig, stay tuned because I might color this wig later. It's human hair. I might color it just to give it a different look later. So please subscribe if you would like to see more hair videos.